Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies. Today we're at 985 Montego on the east side, here at the end of the cul-de-sac. We've got a 2015 Palm Harbor home here, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, beautiful front porch. We're standing here on the front porch looking towards the cul-de-sac. Nice, you've seen those signs, come sit on my front porch. We need one of those right here. Come on down, you can see the side. We've got a nice carport. We've got shed, obviously being a 2015. If you watched any of my videos, you know what I talk about Palm Harbor as being one of the best built manufactured homes. Come on up this direction, up onto the porch. Again, we're only located 2.2 miles to those beautiful beaches. We got a beautiful breeze today, sun's out, it's in the low 80s. Just a gorgeous place. Don't know what you're doing up north, you should join us down here at the beach. Let's go take a look at this beautiful porch out here, guys. Let's go inside and take a look at this home. As you enter into the home, the first thing you're going to notice is we've got high ceilings. We've got sheetrock walls, again being the Palm Harbor. We've got an open floor plan here with the living room, with a bar. You could put some bar stools in there as well. Kitchen goes that direction. We've got split bedrooms over here between the guest room, and then we've also got the hallway that goes into the master suite. I'll shut the door here. Let's come this direction. Notice the rounded corners here as well in the sheetrock. Again, another Palm Harbor feature. We're going to go and look at the flooring, guys. Beautiful flooring all the way through this house, vinyl planking. Nicely done. Come on in here. We've got the guest bedroom. We got double windows. I've got the blinds shut a little bit because that sun is just pouring in there and it would give us a glare. Again, sheetrock ceilings, high ceilings in here as well. Sheetrock paneling here in the bedroom. Again, they've got this as a guest bedroom, just got the single bed, but you could either do a double or a queen in here. Love the little window suite seat. You got full 2-inch forward blinds in here as well. Double closet. It's deep closet, goes back in there a ways, so plenty of storage in here as well. Very nice guest bedroom. You notice being a 2015, the AC's up above in the ceilings as well. Much more efficient that way. Let's go this direction. We've got the guest bathroom right across the entry here. We step in, again, with the high ceilings going all the way through the house. We've got a combo tub and shower in here. Transom windows, another Palm Harbor feature. You've got the light from all these transom windows up above as well. High countertops, counters underneath, panel doors. Again, vinyl planking goes all the way through the home. Home's going to be mostly furnished. They're taking a few pieces, but again, mostly furnished. Taking the TV, that's not furniture, those are personal items. Pictures on the walls, that type of thing, but they will leave the TV bracket there for mounting. Again, 2015, these are all 8-year-old windows, so the AC's 8 years old, shingled roof's 8 years old being a 2015, so nothing to worry about there, and being a Palm Harbor, great electrical panel, no issues there. Nothing to do but move in, put your suitcase down, what do I say, flip-flops on, head to the beach. Let's go this direction. Again, I love the counter, love the woodwork here as well. A couple of bar stools here, you got an eat-in kitchen. We'll go to the kitchen in just a minute, but we're going to come around the corner here. Again, rounded sheetrock walls here, painted, high ceilings here. We do have our electrical panel here in this little cubby hole. Again, good electrical panel, no issues there. Come on into the master bedroom here. We've got 2 big windows in here. It makes it light and airy. Again, plenty of room in this. This is a good sized bedroom. Looks like a queen there, but plenty of room for a king. They've got a couple setting chairs in here as well. Good sized master suite. We've got again, sheetrock paneling on these back walls in here. This is sheetrock there and sheetrock paneling there, sheetrock on the outside. Come on in here, we've got a master bath in here as well. Again, high counters, big mirror, more transom windows, lights up above, lots of cabinets and drawers. Tile backsplash here. We do have a combo tub and shower here as well on this one with the glass doors. come in this direction here. Huge closet. This closet is so big it could be a third bedroom. You can see she's got it set up as an office. She does one of the craft classes here in the community. She hosts one of those. So this is kind of her office and setup, but also has a closet space, lots of closet space there. Behind the door here, we've got lots of built-in areas, shelving as well, some extra storage up above. Good sized master bedroom, huge closet there as well. So as we exit the master bath back into the bedroom area, swing back out here. You come out the little hallway here and we're into the kitchen. Again, appliances, all 2015, they're all 8 years old. We've got countertops, we've got real wood cabinets here, built-in microwave, plenty of drawers, plenty of storage underneath. Got the dishwasher here as well. Again, tile backsplash, nice looking countertops. Formica, but very nice, rich look appearing. Dining area on this side over here. You could put whatever you want in here, but it's made up for actually for the dining room. I love the can lights, or we can pop up and show you the can lights. Again, your AC all going down the middle of the room here. Sheetrock, again, love the sheetrock, rounded corners here. Come down this way, we've got a built-in laundry room. Got a stack unit there on that side. Got a light here, got a window out back, but you got your washer and dryer inside. Got another little closet area over here, pantry closet, extra storage area, window that looks out back, keeps it light and airy. Grill doors, they go out here to your carport area and the shed area that's out there as well. Lots of storage in that shed area. So if you're looking for a 2-2 newer, and after the hurricane, Bay Indies can't get new homes. The last word I got, they can't get any of these new Palm Harbors, newer homes in here until 2025. So here's a 2015 that we've got for you. No damage. We got a carport. We got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, split floor plan, open floor plan. Everything's 8 years old. Quality built, class 3 home built to withstand that 130 mile an hour wind. It stood up to Hurricane Ian not too long ago. Good to go. So 2015 at Palm Harbor at 985 Montego here in Bay Indies. 3 pools. We got trivia going on tonight. You look on the refrigerator over there. Lori will post on the fridge. Look at the refrigerator. They've got the activity calendar over there as well. Tons of activities here in Bay Indies. Another reason folks like it because of the activities. You can be just as active as you want with the pools and everything that goes on. We got a strawberry festival going on this afternoon before trivia. Come on down and join the fun. Come join us at the beach. Is this your Florida dream home? Dan Clark, 207-807-7537. Give me a call today.